watch unboxing. Finally got myself one of these. It's a Rolex Oyster perpetual 36mm in black dial. It's, in my opinion, it's the cleanest, most versatile looking Rolex we can buy. It's one of my favorite. You know, most other people, they like Submariners, GMT Masters, all those, you know, more more of a flashier models. But I personally, I just really like the Oyster perpetual. So I got this. Let's see, I'm wearing Tudor Black Bay 58, and let's see what you actually come with Rolex these days. Well, get a green, kind of plasticky feeling box. So I got this. Here's the stuff that comes with it: extra links, bezel protector, another Rolex chronometer tag, the hang tag, got some booklets, a warranty card, got some warranty information, and instruction manual, and quite simple plain Rolex box. Here's the watch. I went for the black sunburst style model because I think this is just the most versatile one. I mean, it's just time only. Yeah, I love this. I really love this watch. I purchased this at a retail price. I'm not exactly sure in dollars, but it was give or take 6,000 euro as of 2022. The wait time actually only waited 2 months. I put myself on a waiting list in September, and they called me now in late November, so about 2 months. I was quite surprised because when I finally decided I wanted to buy this watch, I was never expecting to actually be able to get on a list because, you know, Rolex is Rolex, all the waiting list, all that stuff. I was surprised. I went to send an email to the AD. I want to purchase the Oyster perpetual for 6mm black dial, and they came back to me and say, yes, we can get you one. Wait time is about 3 to 6 months. That's what they told me. And put in a deposit and said, yeah, sure enough, 2 months later, they called me. So it was faster than I was expecting it. So I guess maybe this exact model is not the most sought after. I don't know. But just yes, the situation with Rolex today, you know, it's kind of the second-hand market. Is prices going down? Maybe that's a factor. I don't know. But on Chrono24, these things are listed at 7,000-8,000 euros, dollars. It's just crazy. When I was going to buy Rolex, I decided I was not going to pay anything over retail. So yeah, guess I'm lucky enough to actually buy one in from retail price. I mean, it's just, you know, quick look at the watch. Black dial. It's a perpetual, time only. Case is 36mm. Lug to lug is 40. I believe it's 44. The lug width is 20. 20 super versatile. Can change to whatever strap, aftermarket, you know, straps you want. But I think the Rolex watches belongs on the original bracelet because they are just so good. You know, the bracelets, you know, the Oyster bracelets. I mean, this is the original Rolex Oyster bracelet. all the hardware is just, build quality is really, really excellent. I wish they could have done something a little bit with the case back though. Kind of boring, flat. And the new 2020 model, they upgraded the clasp with the E-Link system. It's basically you can just add 4 or 5 millimeters if you gets warm and wrists start to expand. You have a little bit more extra breathing room there. My only negative is the clasp only have 3 micro adjustment holes. You can see that, and they are spaced quite far from each other, and the links themselves are quite long. So I had a little bit, had to do a little bit fiddling to get good fit. I think they could actually, add maybe 1, maybe 2, and put the holes a little bit closer to each other. You could just get a little bit more adjustability. This is pretty much the only negative I have. Of course, the polished surfaces on the Rolex watch, they tend to scratch a little bit easier because they use the 904L steel instead of the standard 316. 904 is more resistant to corrosion, salt, etc. But it's a little bit softer steel. So a lot of people actually believe the Rolex steel is more scratch resistant, but the truth is actually a little bit less scratch resistant because the steel is a little bit softer. So I mean, the movement is the Rolex caliber 3230, 70-hour power reserve, silicium balance spring, anti-magnetic, all the good stuff. 10 years of service interval. It just, just a super versatile and clean looking watch. Yeah. Quick look at the Rolex Oyster perpetual. Oh, the reference number is 126000. Yeah, that's it. Rolex Oyster perpetual.